All right, hey guys. So this week we're going to talk about inscribed angles. So before we start solving problems, we need to know what an inscribed angle is. So an inscribed angle is anything that is an angle with the vertex is on the circumference of the circle. So this yellow angle right here, ADC, that's an inscribed angle because it is on the circumference. Now this angle over here, angle B, that is what we call a central angle because ABC, that has a vertex at the center point. So this is a central angle. Okay, so there's a relationship between these two angles. Anything that is an inscribed angle, I'm just going to write an I for inscribed. Inscribed angles are always going to equal 1/2 of a central angle. Okay, and if it's 1/2 of a central angle is an inscribed angle, then a central angle is going to equal 2 times the inscribed angle. All right, so in this case, we have angle ADC measures 35. So I know that ADC is an inscribed angle because the vertex of the angle is on the circumference. And so I know that this is 35. And since it's an inscribed angle, I have the inscribed angle and I need to find the central angle, ABC, then I know that the central angle is going to equal 2 times 35. And when we do that, we figure out it's 70. And you can come over here and type in 70. And yep, we're right. So that's how we do these. I'm going to do a few more questions just to make sure that you know what you're doing. All right, so this one, it gives us which angle, the central or inscribed. And it gives us the central because ABC is our central angle. It gives us ABC is 124, so ABC is 124. And so I know that all inscribed angles are half the size of a central angle. So my inscribed angle is going to equal 1/2 of my central angle, 124. And so when we multiply that out, 124 times 0.5, we get 62. And so I can come over here and type in 62. And I'm right. Okay, a few more. So this is still an inscribed angle, even though it looks weird. It still has its vertex on the circumference. So I know that ADC, the yellow angle, is 20, and it's inscribed. So if I'm going to find my central angle, remember central angles equal 2 times the inscribed angle. So my central angle is going to be 2 times 20, which is 40. All right, and then one more just for fun. So it gives us ABC, that's our central angle. Ooh, I need to turn that on. So ABC is 40. And I need to find ADC. ADC, since D is on the circumference, that makes that the inscribed angle. And I know that inscribed angles are always half as big as my central angle. So if I know that my central angle is 40, I just have to multiply 40 by 1/2, and I get 20. So we can come up here and type in 20. And we're good. So that's inscribed angles. They're pretty easy, and that's the relationship. So have fun with that.